Know that on these connections, they are directional. So you can look inside here and see the nice smooth surface. That is up. You do not want to do this up because you can see that connection. So these are directional. Everything, of course, comes with the protection coat. You just want to peel that off before assembling it. When we were going through and installing the gutter that hangs on the roof, at that point, we cut the X's where every single one of the downspouts was marked. So now, at this point, when we go to hang this downspout, we can just bend those triangles down, and that's where we need to install it. I definitely recommend doing that on the ground. For the connections on gutters, we're using rivets instead of screws. You can use screws if you don't have a rivet, but these are really cheap tools. I would recommend it. They're lower profile to where less stuff is going to get stuck on them, like leaves or pollen. I don't know what those things are called. Gunk. Less gunk can get stuck on it. And then also screws have a tendency to back out over time, whereas rivets won't. Then for attaching it, we have these straps. You want to pre-drill your hole and then pop in the rivet. There it is. There you go.